Are you researching how to trade in your old iPhone using Apple Store? Here is the video how I done it. First of all, I use the official Apple Store app, so you can buy directly. Click from here. Let's say I want 17 Pro, then buy and then continue the process. My case is I choose Pro Max, orange, and then 256. So select iPhone, click my postcode, and then you can choose the whole range of second-hand price offered at Apple Store. My one is Apple 14 Pro Max. After that, you need to choose the storage. My one is 256. The next question is, of course, we say yes. So this one is you can show me maybe work up to 2075. So you can continue. How to check your serial number? You can just follow setting, general, about. So you can go to setting and then scroll to this general and then about. So here is how you find your serial number. After that, you can just paste this serial number, verify. You can continue proceed for the payment. Here's the timeline for my case for 17 Pro Max. In case you want to see the estimation time, keep in mind is my one is I need to wait for 24 days. If later you watch this video, maybe faster, directly buy from Apple Store. For me, it's quite fast. Within days, I can get the refund. Next, I will show you the email that you will get throughout the process, so you have at least the ideas what's the procedure. So once you order and pay for the iPhone, you will have this email, thank you for your order. It will show you the delivery dates, and then the next email is the shipping one. So your item have shipped, give you the link to track the shipment. For my case, is actually shipped from Singapore. When I click, and then I can see the tracking. During the delivery time, the delivery company will call you, confirm your availability. It will send you the box, and then it will need your IC number. Basically, this box from Apple Store is just one box, very thin, and then just one Apple box only. During the same time, you will receive this email, your trade-in has been initiated. You have two choices. First is you can drop off. Second is the courier will pick up your old iPhone. So for me, I choose the drop off method, which is you can just drop off any Pos Malaysia in the whole Malaysia. And then the magic day is actually they mentioned already 14 days. So you need to send back to the provider for the second-hand evaluator, and then it will give you the date one. Before that date, you need to send your old device to them for evaluation. Whether you want to drop off or you pick up by courier, that one depends on you. For me, is I can access to any Pos Malaysia, very convenient. If you choose drop off, then it will send you this kind of email. So the Pos Malaysia, they already have the procedure SOP how to do. So you need to show this email, especially the drop off code, so they know what to do already. So let me show you the procedure and my experience when you drop off the Pos Malaysia. So you need to pick a right time. You need to allocate at least a few minutes because you need to packing. Later I will show. Pick a good time, don't too rush, so you can have your time to packing, and then maybe you need to wait for a long queue as well. Here is my last photo of my iPhone 14 Pro Max, the purple color. So this one just snap for memory. This video I will not go into like how to erase and then transfer. That one I think YouTube have a lot of tutorial how to do. Then just make sure everything, maybe you clean a little bit, like you sell second-hand car so I clean a little bit. Maybe it will help to maintain the value, So after you show the email, the drop off code, and then the Pos Malaysia staff will give you this box. So it will show you the packing guideline, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For me, it's very clear and very easy to understand. If you really no idea how to use, of course, you can ask the staff what's the procedure, what's the right thing to do. If you're not shipping any parcel before, you can see they give you everything, the packing. This is a little bit of form, including the plastic outside as well. So how to pack, they also give you instruction. It's very easy. Actually, I follow the instruction. I just slip my old iPhone into the corner of that, tear the glue, and then you can just fit into the box like this. You're not included with the bubble wrap, so it's just like this. So you just like balut become like this. You can just tear the Pos Malaysia, the final one, and then you stick into the box. And with, of course, the box, you need to put into the gray plastic bag. Then the airway bill, the A4 paper, they really print for you, so they just done it for you. And then you just drop off, itu saja. Then after a few days, Apple trade-in, good news, your trade-in is completed. I get the full amount. Here is the refund from Apple Store, so it gives me the exact the 2075 amount as you see in the video. So for me, it's okay lo. Almost 3 years old, I still have this kind of value. So there's an advantage of using iPhone. The value is well reserved if you want to trade in future. I hope I covered the procedure from the beginning until the end, especially how to drop off, what's the expectation, what the email process, so you can follow. So if you want to trade in your old iPhone using Apple Store Online drop off method, so this video is the perfect for you. If you have any questions you want to ask or anything you need more clarification, feel free to comment below. I will try to answer if I can, or each of us can contribute to the answer as well. Thank you.